Welcome back. On today's episode, we're going to be taking a look at the Elegoo Mars resin tank set. This is a set of 2 spare resin tanks for the Elegoo Mars. You see on the box, it can come in either aluminum or plastic. Take it around the back, just a little more product information, nothing special. And flip it back over, we're going to open it up. Removing the plastic sheet reveals the 2 spare tanks. Each tank has a plastic cover on it that's black to keep light out. Now these tanks are identical to the tank that comes with the Elegoo Mars. You see on the back they have a little protective film to protect the FEP sheet from getting damaged. And there's nothing more to it other than these are pretty pristine, brand new, no scratches. Nothing, no complaints whatsoever. These tanks are very solidly built, heavy metal. Obviously, if you have the Elegoo Mars, then you already know what to expect. I believe these also work on the Anycubic Photon and maybe 1 or 2 other printers with similar resin tanks. Also included are 2 more Allen keys for changing out the FEP sheets on the bottom, so you don't have to buy brand new tanks. They give you 2 of them, 1 for each tank, I guess. Just more keys to throw into your ever-growing pile of Allen keys. Now you would use these spare tanks if you want to do quick color changes in between print and you didn't want to completely empty it out back into the bottle. If you're doing production runs, stuff like that. Here on my workbench I have the new resin tank over here. I've used it, it works as advertised. Nothing, no complaints. And then I have the original resin tank with the cover from the new spare. I used to temporarily store this orange resin in the vat without actually changing out the vat, because changing out the vat is the most tedious part of cleaning up after your resin printer. So these are excellent if you're doing switching between resins all the time. And that's pretty much it. I'll definitely give this product a buy because it's the original tanks. Shouldn't have the same problems that we're hearing from the plastic tanks. You can also get a spare print bed for the Mars as well. Like and subscribe. Next time. See ya.